Hi, hello, I'm Olivia Kandou, and today we will be talking about the supply chain management. Before the product reaches the wider community in the form of finished goods, of course, these goods have gone through a process called the production process. Production is one of the main factors in maintaining the survival of the company, especially in manufacturing companies. High quality and effectiveness should be obtained as much as possible with the highest profit by reducing production costs as little as possible. The system that regulates how much and from where raw materials are taken to be processed in the production selection is called supply chain management. Supply chain management is a network of organizations and business processes for procuring raw materials, converting raw materials into semi-finished products, and finished products then distributed products sold to the customer. This system connects suppliers, manufacturers, distribution centers, retail outlets, and customers to provide goods and services from sources through consumption. Raw materials, information, and payment flow through the supply chain in both directions. The difficulty of the supply chain for various products is the known difference. Supply chain management has been used in the bakery manufacturing company, namely PT Nippon Indosari Korpindo Tbk. Supply chain management at NIC is implemented from the selection and ordering of raw materials to the distribution of finished goods to consumers. The flow of information, money, and goods through all parts of SCM from upstream to downstream. For example, the supply chain of a white bread. The raw materials are flour, yeast, milk, salt, butter, oil, water, sugar, and baking powder. Second, manufacturing, the general process of making bread products at PT Nippon Sari Korpindo, which in general consists of four sections, namely first, mixing, and then makeup, baking, packing, and then grading. And then distribution of finished goods bread that has been tidied up in crates from the production route is temporarily stored in the finished goods warehouse. For each type of product to be distributed to the customers, a picking process must be carried out first, namely separating and grouping bread according to the customer request. The picking process for each final product is accordance with estimates which are actual demand data from the customer. The picking process is based on orders from distributors consisting of depots, regular outlets, institution, distribution channel for Indomaret and Alfamart, branches and stock points, as well as for key examples. The distribution process is carried out with the help of transporter expedition companies which are arranged to distribute each distribution area. In one distribution using medium-sized trucks, delivery to the distributors can be done only once or several transits, depending on intended distributor. For DC and stock point, each transit truck fleet is only at the outlet because the number of orders from each outlet is different. Products that have arrived at the distributors on the same day are distributed to the end of consumers. When deliveries via truck has arrived at the local agent's warehouse, for example in Surabaya area, bread is only delivered to a centralized agent, so the bread is distributed by agents to all ROs. Arriving at RO, the sales and marketing department must enter a proof of handover sheet into the company's entry data processing software. In the storage of finished goods, there is often excess stock due to excess production. The amount of excess stock is the remainder of yesterday's production plus from product output control, after deducting the products that have been distributed within 24 hours. The maximum stock storage is 2 days because the expiration date of bread is only 5 days from the date of production. Consumer demand for NIC is known based on requests from the sales office. The sales office consists of depots, regular outlets, distribution channels for supermarkets, mini markets like Alfamart or Indomart, and then there's agents, stock points, institution, and key samples. And so that's it from supply chain management with an example from the PT Nippon Indosari Korpindo over white bread. Thanks for watching.